I was gifted this Jeep hood latch set by the brand. It's a locking hood catch kit for your Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator 2007 and up. Now you see this is a high quality aluminum alloy with stainless steel hardware. It comes with literally everything you need, including the Allen wrenches. Super easy to install. You're just going to remove your old set and replace the new. And here you can see my husband installing some of those pieces. These are fully adjustable to give you a nice tight close. Here you can see it's just a click and latch. How fantastic is that? Such a cool and fun look for your Jeep. This is designed and produced by GOCPB. This is such a great looking hood catch. Just will give flair to any Jeep. Great product.